Hello everyone, welcome back to the software codes and this is Khushbakht. Today we will learn about addition of the data from the list. So open your project. Here I have already added some piece of code, so just to keep the video short. So this is my provider, and in this provider class I have created two variable and one method. So let me tell you about these variables. The first one is the list, and its type is int, and second one is an empty list and its type is another class. This is my model class. Okay, it has three variables: item code, item name, and price. And this one is my factory method, and this is mapping the data into JSON. Okay, so now coming back to the screen, to provider. Okay, so this is my second variable, and this is the function. So basically this function will set the value in our list of type model. I have took a variable j and a simple for loop, and I am adding a data of my model type in my list. Okay, so it's simply I have assigned item code the index and the name and the price, and the price is j, and incrementing that j with 100. Okay, so now coming back to our sum. First of all, let me show you the screen. So here, this is my screen. In init state I have created a variable of provider, and here I am calling a set list model and a sum function as well. And so if you don't know about the provider, I have already created a tutorial, and in column I have added a list view builder widget, and here it will just simply print the values from the first one list, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and like the first one list. Okay, and now in the I have took let me okay, so in the first in the second one widget I have took a row, and here I have added two text, and this is the third one widget. Here is the another list view builder. Here I am printing the value from my list model. Okay, so like I am printing the item code, item name, and the price. And okay, just okay, now here in this row I have took two text. It will just show the sum of the first one list and the second one list model. I hope so this UI is clear to you. And now coming back to our sum provider. So in this function I will show you two methods to sum the data from the list. First one method is to use the simple for loop. So like int start from index 0, and list first one list is dot length and I plus plus, and the curly brackets open and close. Okay, so here I have to declare some variables. The one is int list1 sum equal to 0, and copy this and paste and paste and paste. Okay, and this is the list2 sum, and here I will add the sum of my model. So I will give it a name, list model sum1, and copy and paste it here, and list model sum2. Okay, so in our sum1 what I am gonna do, list1 equal to list1 plus and list1 index, okay, I, and that's it. Oh, it's giving error. Let's find out the okay, it's not list1. Basically this is list sum1. Here it is, list1 sum. Copy and paste it here. Okay, so this is the simple method to get the value from the list, simple list, and sum it. Okay, now coming to the second method, list dot, there is a function of fold. So here, instead of using a loop, you can use this. First of all, you will tell the initial value, you will assign an initial value to it, and as I'm giving it 0, and this is the previous value and this is the current value. Okay, so we will remove the null, and here round brackets open and close, and here what I'm gonna do, previous value plus current value. So our current value variable is element, and that's it. This is the simple way to sum the value from the list, and I will assign it to list to sum. I have assigned the values to the variable, so I can show you on the UI that sum of both are same. Now taking a loop for our second list, which is a type of my class, my model class. Okay, so I will take a loop, and what is the name of my model class? Let's check it here. Yes, that's it, it's my model list. Okay, so int I equal to 0, and here it is, my model list dot length and I plus plus. So curly brackets open and close, and now coming to our variable, list model sum 1 equal to, so instead of using this method, you can simply add the plus here, and mentioning the variable for the 2 times, you can simply use this, and my model list index dot price, and that's it. What's giving me error? Why it's giving me error? Let's find out. So it is a string, you cannot add the value into the string, so I will make it int, and I will get the error here because yeah, it's here, because I am assigning a string to the price, so I will simply assign the j, the error is gone. Okay, so this is the second method, and to add the value of the model type list. Now taking a second variable, and here I am again using that fold function, my model list dot fold, and I will initialize the values with 0, and here round bracket open and close, so I will select it here, and round brackets open, round bracket open and close, and previous value plus the current value, which is element variable dot price. So this is the simple method to sum the data, and now I will call the notify listener function, and that's it, we are done. So now I will run the application, and yes, it's not showing me the value because we have not used the variable in our screen. So firstly, come to here, list 1 sum, here I will use the provided variable dot list 1 sum, and what's giving me error? Yeah, I have to remove the const, and I will also use the variable list to sum, so you can easily differentiate that either the sum is working same, like you can get the same value with the loop and with the fold method. And list model sum, okay, list model sum 1, remove the const, and here I will again use the variable list model sum 2. So let me run it. So now here you can see that the sum of the first list we have used the loop and the fold function. Both of them are giving the same results. So instead of using the loop, you can use the fold function. And this was all about today. If you have any question in this lecture, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.